Good afternoon, third. How are you? Happy Thursday. How are you doing today? Okay, you have just received the new task for today. Yes? And it's a slides presentation. Yes? We're going to check what we have learned about what happened to all the dinosaurs, about extinction theories. Okay? I will help you to read them and to understand them. At the end, there is something you have to complete, and it's about your own opinion. So let's start. What have we learned about the dinosaurs' extinction theories? We know that there is one theory that a huge asteroid hit the Earth, crashed, and created a very big explosion. Then we learned about theory 2, where there was a massive volcanic eruption. Yes? So a volcano, or many volcanoes, exploded. Yes? And a lot of soot and rocks were sent onto the land and into the air. For both theories, theory 1 and theory 2, there were lots of consequences. There were 2 problems without sunlight. Remember that after those explosions, the sun was blocked. If the sun was blocked, it means that everything got darker, yes? And it started to get really, really cold. And plants, which need sunlight, yes, as the sun was blocked, they died. So, by now, we have learned so far that scientists discovered 2 theories, but we don't know for sure what happened to the dinosaurs. It could have been the asteroid, or it could have been the volcanoes. We don't know, or maybe both. And what do you think about these theories? Do you support any of these theories? Which one do you think was the one that killed the dinosaurs? Theory 1 or theory 2? You will have to make a decision and choose one theory. Yes? Remember, there are 2 theories that we have been reading and learning about. We have been discussing. You shared a lot of information that you knew about the theories. So now you will have to think about one of them, and you will have to choose one, either the asteroid theory or the volcanoes theory. Yes? Which one do you support? Once you have decided on one of those theories, yes, you are going to work with this slide. I support the theory about, and in yellow says, choose one and erase the one you don't support. So, for example, myself, I believe that everything was caused by a volcano. So, I will click on this picture and I will erase it. I will click on this sentence and I will click erase it. Okay, so now I'm showing that the theory that I believe in is the one of the volcanoes, and I will leave this slide like this. If you believe in the other theory, you're going to erase the volcanoes. Let's continue. And now, in my opinion, the explosion after, and I will have to choose again one and erase the other one that I don't support. As I said before, I think the volcanoes caused the extinction. So again, I will erase the one of the asteroid, the one that I don't support. So I will erase it. And that's the final slide. In my opinion, the explosion after the eruption created that big cloud of dust and rocks that blocked out the sun. Let's go to the last slide and the end of your work. As a consequence, and in yellow, you have your instruction. Complete the consequences that made dinosaurs disappear. So you're going to go to each box and you're going to write the consequence. So what happened when the sun was blocked? Yes, for example, the weather got how? Hot or cold? Cold. Yes? So you're going to write that. The plants, what happens with the plants? They died. They couldn't survive. Yes? And you're going to complete box number 4 and box number 5. Okay? Remember, you will have to edit this presentation. Yes? So, be careful. Try to write properly. Yes? And remember that you have to think on which option, which theory you support, you back up, and you believe in. There are 2. You have to choose one, and then you complete the rest of your work. Well, I hope it's clear. Of course, you can always send me a comment, a message, and I can explain again. Okay? Happy Thursday, and see you tomorrow, Friday, in our meet. We are going to see, and you're going to read and tell me what you think about these theories, which one you support. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.